Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to choose your workout plan on the PunchLab application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the workouts icon down below, which is the second option. Here you can also select from workouts, group classes and so on. But if you tap on the plan picture, you will be able to see that there are 4 available workout plans ranging from easy to medium. So click on the relevant one that you find interesting. Here you can see the level and number of workout that this plan contains. Here is the name of your coach, the description, plan information, the structure of the plan. There are 6 modules, so if you want to start the plan, all you have to do is clicking on the start this plan icon. But first you need to go premium in order to unlock this feature of the app. However, if you want to get to know the modules more and in depth, you just need to tap on the relevant module that you are interested in. Here you can see that it contains 4 workouts, cardio, fitness and boxing drills. And here you can go through the other 5 options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.